World 2025 in Dubai. It's day 3. I'm here with Jason Mala Hakan, AMG Group Senior Vice President. Hi Jason, how are you doing today?
Hi, Vidwan. I'm good. Glad to be here at FHS for this 3 days. A bit sad that it's the last day, but looking forward actually for next year. I think we want to come again and participate for next year.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is the first time our company, the Philippines, and 3 other companies that joined the Philippine contingent to participate and join FHS.
Wow, so I believe you had a wonderful experience that you're looking to visit again.
Yeah. You know, the key thing is always, I would say, even in hospitality and in business, is consistency. You know, making sure that people are aware that you're there, that you're offering services, or in this case, that we're open for business. That you know, we're out here looking for partners, investors.
All right, that's great. So could you tell us more about the AMG Group and the key markets you operate in?
So currently, AMG is just in the Philippines. So we're located in Metro Manila, Baguio City, and Ilocos Sur Province. But soon enough, we will have our footprints also in Palawan, particularly in 2 places in Palawan, San Vicente and El Nido Island. El Nido, I'm proud to say, it has been awarded as part of the top 10 islands in the world by Condé Nast and World Travelers. So our company is a boutique hotel and resort management company in the Philippines, and we are dedicated in curating unique experiences rooted in art, culture, heritage, and nature. You know, we provide end-to-end hospitality management services, marketing, and brand development for our partner properties.
So how is your group adapting to change travel expectations and emerging hospitality trends?
You know, one thing I've learned is that in these 3 days, everyone talks about experiential tourism, right? And that's something that I feel, you know, has been really deeply rooted in Filipino hospitality.
Correct.
All around the world, we're known for our smiles, our love, how we treat people, because anywhere you go, you'll always bump into a Filipino working in your hotel, in your restaurant, you know, because that's how we are. We're loving, we're caring by nature. In terms of adaptation, I think, you know, just making use of some sort of technology to streamline process and make reporting more efficient. But when it comes to the service, it's keeping to heart what we're really known for, which is, you know, our hospitality.
Hospitality, yes. And lastly, what are your growth terms and any innovations that you're doing currently?
So growth terms, we do have 4 projects that are in the pipeline. You know, 3 of them are in the Philippines. And for the very first time in the 14 years that AMG has been operating, we're going outside of the Philippines. We are going to be starting a chalet in Hakuba, Japan.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's quite big for us. It's the first time for the company to do so. With the 3 properties, you know, the first one in San Vicente, Palawan, the Kinetic Hotel will be the first technology-driven hotel resort in the area, wherein we're also going to be making use of drones to deliver some of the requirements of the guests. Let's say, you know, instead of having somebody bring in their towel if they have a request for a towel, the drone will deliver the towel into their room.
That's quite interesting.
Yeah. And then for El Nido, it's going to be more focused on wellness. So we are including certain technologies for wellness, for the spa, water therapy, heat therapy, and the likes.
All right, that was great. Thank you so much, Jason.
Thank you so much for your time as well. Thank you.